unboxing new phone, Motorola Razr 60 Ultra. Now, compared to the box of the other Motorola Razrs we've had that's come in, this one is a little bit on the small side. So I'm thinking, oh no, box. Pull this out. Pull this out. So, charging cable. Leave that in there for now. No plug there. They've gone a bit Apple in regards to the plug situation. So what's in here? Open this bit up. So, an energy efficiency sticker for some strange reason. Case. So they still do come with a case, so that's good. Yeah, it's simply excused. I'm doing this from a hotel, not at home. So it's doing this as I left. So we've got the case still. Another strange strappy bit. Yeah. And some instruction books. So there we go. And on to the main event. So the scent thing is not as good as it used to be, so there's obviously cost cutting involved. There's no plug, more cost cutting. But here it is. Wow, look at that. That is nice. That is nice. Your Razr is the world's first smartphone created with anti-galactic tailor-made in Italy materials to preserve the beauty and premium materials. Please follow proper care instructions. Get this off. Oh, look at that. Oh, yes. Flat as a pancake. So, on the plus point compared to the previous versions, I mean, they feel better every time. The scent thing, I liked that, and it's a bit lackluster. And name plug. The phone itself is looking sharp, very sharp. That's very good. I'm going to put this on charge, and we will come back later. So here it is, and although it's still downloading stuff, it's I mean, the 40 was good. The 50 was a great improvement to 60. It feels so good. I'm going to try it for the next 10 days anyway, and I'll come back and let you know how I get on with it, because I'm away for the next 10 days, so it'll be a big test. So I'm going to pop the case on, get the SIM card in, but so far, very impressive. Very impressive. Really good. Just feels cleaner, sharper, better picture, better screen. Just keep raising the bar.
Jet plane headed up to the sky, spread wings and the clouds getting